Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to export your site content from Squarespace. Just a quick heads up before we start, the instructions you have there for data snapshots and structure mode are actually for the very old Squarespace 5. If you're using the modern Squarespace 7.0 or 7.1, the process is quite different, so let's get right to it. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and click on Settings. From there, scroll down to the bottom of the menu and select Advanced. Inside the Advanced menu, you'll see an option labeled Import/Export. Click on that, then select Export. Next, you'll see a Squarespace icon and a WordPress icon. Even if you aren't moving to WordPress, click the WordPress icon. This is the industry standard format that Squarespace uses to package your content. A progress bar will appear as Squarespace prepares your file. This includes your pages, blog posts, and comments, but keep in mind it does not export your actual site design, CSS, or high-resolution images. Once the export is finished, a download button will appear. Click that to save the .xml file directly to your computer. It's always a good idea to keep a backup of this file in a safe place. Finally, if you have a lot of products or customer data, those are exported separately. You would need to go to your Selling or Commerce menu, click on Inventory, and then select Export to download your product list as a CSV file. Hit Save and you are officially backed up. And that is it. Your site data is now exported and ready for safekeeping. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.